Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the ICZI USB-C to HDMI 4K multi-port adapter. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Okay, so we do that by, of course, peeling off the shrink wrapper. And then we pop open the box flap, of course. And let's slide the contents out from the box. And checking that there's nothing else left behind in there. And we're going to set the box to one side. Let's set it to the right hand side. And of course, these are the contents of the box. So I'm going to set it right in the middle of the frame right there. And we first start off by looking at this card. So there is a warranty card with product return information. Alright, we can set the card to the side here and then move on to the ICZI USB-C to HDMI 4K multi-port adapter. You can see it is packaged up here in a sticky seal packet. And I'm going to put the packet to the side. And just to show you the multi-port adapter right in the middle of the frame before I start handling it. So all we're going to do is take a close-up look at the actual device. So this one is in gold. As you can see, there is a metallic gold finish. And you can see that the USB-C end that goes into your MacBook or Google Chrome Pixel or Samsung smartphone there is protected. And it is tethered as well, as in the cap is actually tethered to the cable, so you don't lose that protective cap, which is a nice thing to see. But should you wish to remove it, it can be removed as well. So just showing you the ports there. So this is a multi-port adapter, but the key function would be the HDMI 4K right in the middle. And then you have another USB-C port there and the standard USB Type A port right there. So as you can see, the labels right above each port. So it is a compact device here, or accessory, or peripheral, depending on how you see it. And the construction, it is made out of plastic and aluminium, so strong and lightweight. So this casing with the gold finish is made out of metal, and the rest is made out of plastic. So there you have it, the ICZI USB-C to HDMI 4K multi-port adapter. So that's the ICZI USB-C to HDMI 4K multi-port adapter. Thanks for watching and happy adapting!